Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to tackle a simple but important issue, keeping track of time zones when your team operates in different parts of the world. If your business works across multiple regions or even just remote teams in different time zones, scheduling can be a bit tricky. While Confluence helps organize your work, it doesn't have an easy way to display world clocks, until now. Let's talk about a few scenarios where showing world clocks on your Confluence page can make life easier for your team. Remote teams can easily coordinate meetings and deadlines with team members working in different time zones. Global clients can quickly check the local time zone to schedule calls at convenient times. And product coordination. Keep track of key time zones when working on projects that span multiple regions so that everyone knows exactly when meetings or deadlines apply. So let's take a look at that now. So here's my team space in Confluence, and this is the home page, and this is where our team basically coordinates ourselves. So what I'd like to do here is add a time zone clock so that we can all collaboratively see, what time it is for each of our staff members. So I simply need to type /clock and select capable clock from the menu. And this is going to open up the configurator for the macro. And as you can see here, we can easily add time zones here and have them shown here. And the preview here lets you see what this is going to look like in the page. So let's just go with the default for now. Let's click Save. And you can see that's immediately been inserted into the page. And if I click Update, we can see that world clock shown in the page. And there's a few useful features of this. So the first one is that you can see whether it's the daytime or the nighttime. Here at the top, you can see obviously the time here. And we also show the difference in time here, which is great when you're trying to schedule calendar events and things like that. So as you can see, it's really simple, really easy. And if you ever want to update this macro, you can simply click this configure button here. And really quickly, you could add another time zone, say, if you had a new team member join who's based in another country. So that was just a quick look at the world clock macro that's included in Capable for Confluence. I hope that was useful, and I hope that the macro provides useful functionality for you and your team, especially if you're distributed around the world, as many of us are now. Thank you.